I'm a new mom who recently went from 0 to over 1,000 euro in gifted collaborations in about 2 months. So stick around to see what I did despite being located in Spain and a lot of brands refusing to ship to Spain, how I got brands to flood in after a couple of months. And I started from 0. I'm not an influencer, I did not have a community, I did not have followers. So about 6 months ago, I decided to launch a lifestyle Instagram, showcasing my life, the stuff that I was cooking, my skincare routine, just anything about me. I wanted to build up a portfolio, a brand of myself. I have been a social media manager for the last 3 years and I have shot some content for my clients, so I was posting this as well as like UGC examples. But if you don't have this, you can be posting UGC examples of random stuff that you have at home and show potential clients what you can do with that. The best way today to build a UGC brand is not by just posting UGC example, it's by starting a lifestyle page. Show yourself. You can even follow trends and do creative fun videos. It is intended to build up your profile, get your initial followers, show how you can edit, and before you do start doing UGC content, you are practicing recording, you're practicing talking on camera, and you're practicing editing. Then when I had my baby, I started posting baby content, and some of these videos went viral. And that is what got me my first 1,000 followers before I started reaching out to brands. So now, once my page was built up, I posted about 30 posts, there was over 1,000 followers, now I was ready to reach out to brands. Even though I didn't really have experience in UGC, my profile was put together, it looked professional, and a brand that might look at my profile, they can see that I can create content. And another thing they see is a community of people that are engaging on my page. They like my lifestyle, they're there to support me. So if I collaborate with a brand and I recommend their product, I'm recommending this product to real people, other mothers, health and wellness people, skincare lovers, all types of people, because that's the community that I had built. Also soon, I'm going to show you what brands work with small creators, the brands that were very open to working with me. Once I was ready to start reaching out to brands, I created a portfolio. I used Canva to create a quick website. I gave the information about me and I gave my 3 best videos in each category. 3 of my best skincare videos, 3 of my best health and wellness videos, 3 of my best jewelry videos. Okay, so now for the fun part. Let me show you a few of the things I received and the brands I worked with. This was my first ever gifted collaboration. It is all kinds of silicone baby eating utensils. This isn't all that I got. I got about 5 items, which came to over 100 euro. I worked with Matcha & Co. This is their matcha collagen. I also got baking matcha powder. That was about over 50 euro. Then I got a bunch of different supplements. These are just some of them. And yesterday, this same brand, which is Futu Natura, reached out to me to pick 5 more products. So more is on the way. Then I got a bunch of beautiful jewelry pieces. This is 7 Saints. And then my favorite and most expensive collaboration is this Echo hydrogen water bottle. It puts molecular hydrogen into the water. You can see it going in there. And this bottle is almost 300 euro. All they required was 1 video and for me to put it up on my stories. So here are the steps. Build up your Instagram or TikTok page, viral and trending content to reach 1,000 followers fast. Then create your portfolio from UGC example videos and start reaching out to brands. Yesterday I received this V-line lifting mask, and there is a bunch more stuff, but we would really be here all day if I showed everything. I actually think the total probably is over 1,000 for sure. Okay, so this is how I pitch to brands for gifted collaborations. First, I find a brand that I would like to work with on Instagram and I send them a DM. Something like this, but tailored to whatever niche or product that you're looking at. If they respond to your DM with an email, this is the marketing collaboration email that you are reaching out to. So this is when you send your portfolio. So email them with your pitch, leave your Instagram link and leave your portfolio, because they want to see what you can bring for them. So this is where you send your portfolio. If the brand does not reply on DMs, you still email them, but now you're emailing their general email. So in this general email, you're probably speaking to a random staff or just someone not relevant enough to see your portfolio. So in the general email, you will pitch yourself still, say that you would love to collaborate with them, compliment the brand, and then ask if there's a better email that you can reach out to. They might respond with a better email or even give you a form to fill out for collaborating. So that is everything. Consistency is key. Don't give up, keep improving your content, and you will keep growing. Now I am at the point where I am ready to start reaching out for paid collaborations because I have a portfolio of real UGC work to show. I am very confident that I can produce good work. So now my content is at a high value where I should be getting paid for it. So if you want me to share my paid pitch process, then subscribe and look out for my next videos. And if you're a mom who wants to turn your creativity into collabs, I would love to connect with you. Message me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to speak with you.